usually leave it on a couple minutes just to let it kind of do its thing, and then
Okay, so what brought you into All That and More Hair and Kia Styles today?
I needed, or I should say, my heart's desire was to try to have a wig that looks similar to my pretty unusual, naturally curly, gray salt and pepper hair. And I came in feeling pretty discouraged because I had gone to a couple wig shops and didn't see anything with textured hair or anything close to my color pattern. And Kia showed me a million different colors of hair, and I was just blown away. And you can see it in the final product here with all the different colors and pigments, which is so similar to my natural hair color and curl pattern that it's just amazing. It's like a miracle.
And it looked like it's growing right from her scalp, no matter how close someone is. You would never know unless she tells you. So yeah, so look at that bow. Okay, look at that bow. You can use your
And a new little pep in my step.
Yes, yes. So how are you feeling?
I feel great.
Awesome.
Yes.
And are you feeling all that and more?
I am feeling all that and more.
Yes. And would you refer any of your friends?
Absolutely, 100%.
Mission accomplished.